how to sync contacts on LinkedIn. So first of all, simply open the application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then from here, what you can do is simply tap on your profile icon right here. Then from here, tap on settings. So after doing that, tap on account preferences. Then from here, if you scroll down, you can see the option of syncing options and sync contacts. Tap on it. And then all you have to do is tap on manage all synced sources. Then in here, you can see my contacts are already synced. If it is not synced in your LinkedIn, there will be the option. All you need to do is tap on sync and all of your contacts will be synced just like this. And if you ever want to remove, you can simply tap on this option, remove all. And just like that, you'll be able to sync contacts on LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.